Hi everyone, I'm Tom with Ashton, and today we're getting into the weeds with Microsoft Teams messaging. The first topic we're going to cover is notifications, specifically user notifications, and I'll show you how you can change those right now. To change your user settings, go to your user icon in the top right corner, select Settings from the menu, and click on the Notifications tab. Now you probably don't want to receive an email for every single notification that you get. So you have some different options. You can change it to just banner only or show and feed, so that when you get a personal mention, you're not getting an email every time. Click on the banner to open the notification. Do you need a notification when a team member becomes available? You can change that in the chat settings. So next to the person that you want a notification for, click on the More options and go down to Notify when available. You'll get a banner notification when this person becomes available. You also have control over your specific channel notifications for each team that you're a member of. Locate the specific channel that you want to change notifications for. Select More options, and at the top, Channel Notifications. You can change it for all activity, set it to off, or set custom settings for each individual channel. So if you run into an issue where you're not receiving the notifications you want, those are the three places that you want to look. Uh-oh, looks like I've got an urgent notification. Urgent notifications will notify people of urgent messages in Teams regardless of their notification settings. To set up an urgent notification, open up the Format Painter, select the More Options setting, and select Mark as Important. The Format Painter is a useful tool when you want to add more than one line of text to a message, or you want to highlight certain parts of the message for the user to read. For example, you also have the ability to change the delivery options on messages in individual chats as well. Under the message box, select Set Delivery Options, and you have three options to choose from: Standard, Important, or if you really want to bug somebody, set it to Urgent. Do you have important files that you need to share with another team member? You can attach them directly to your chat messages. Underneath the message bar, select Attach. Locate the file that you're looking for and hit Send. You'll get a notification once your file has been shared. Need to see what files you've shared with another user? At the top, click on the Files tab, and it'll show you all of the files that you've shared with that person. If you've watched any of our other videos, I'm sure you know by now that we are no stranger to smileys, GIFs, and stickers in our chat. You can add these to your messages using the icons below the message bar. Have you found yourself in a heated debate with another team member and you need to call in some reinforcements? You can do that by adding another user to your chat. At the top right of the corner, click the Add People button. Type in the name of the person that you want to add to the chat and click Add. Does your team thrive on motivation? Now you have the option to send team members praise through chat. Underneath the message bar, click on the praise icon. Select the badge that you want to send them and enter a personalized note. Safe spaces not included. The last thing we're going to cover today is creating and managing a team. To create a team, click on the Teams icon. Click Join or Create a Team. Here you're presented with two options, to build a team from scratch or to create one from an existing Office 365 group. Today we're building one from scratch. Here you'll have two more options, private team or public team. A public team is one that any user can join. A private team, the users must receive an invitation to join. Give your team a name. When you're finished, click Create. Once the team's been created, you'll have the option to add team members to the group. Start typing the name and hit Enter to add the team member. If you have a team member who needs to be an administrator for the team, click on the drop-down where it says Member, and you can change that team member to an owner. Once you have everything set up, click Close to complete. A question that I'm often asked is, why do we need Teams if we can just talk with each other in chat? Teams are a great way of centralizing your communications and resources to a specific topic that are not necessarily specific to all users within your organization. Let me show you how. Earlier, you saw us create a team for Microsoft 365 migration. We also have a team for 3CX deployments, two of the projects that we work on here at Ashton. In Microsoft 365 migrations, we have channels set up for each one of the clients that we're working with who we are doing a 365 migration for. When we get a new client, we add them by going to the More Options button and clicking Add a Channel. Here we'll type in the name of our client. We can add a brief description if needed, and then set the privacy standards for the channel. Is it accessible to everyone on the team, or do we just need to invite certain people from the team to the channel? Once everything's configured correctly, we click the Add button. Remember, Teams isn't just for communication, it's a powerful collaboration tool. Let's take a look at some of the features that will help your team work more efficiently. One of the great features about Microsoft Teams is that it integrates into all of your other Microsoft applications as well. This allows users to collaborate on files that they may be working on together, even when working remotely. For example, in our general channel here under our Collaborate team, we've uploaded a file to the Files tab. Click on the spreadsheet to open it. From here, I'll be able to see other users who are accessing the same file that I'm accessing. Once you're done making edits, click Close to save. If you don't want to work on the spreadsheet within Teams, you can also open it in the desktop version as well. Collaboration doesn't just stop with posts and files. Let me show you how you can add other applications to your channels within Teams. To add additional tabs to a specific channel, select the channel and then click on the Add a Tab button. From here, you'll see a list of different applications that you can add to your channel. These are just a few of the features in Microsoft Teams that'll help your team collaborate more efficiently. Want to learn more? Subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Visit us at www.ashtonsolutions.com or give us a call at 216-455-9999.